God, this is I'm back at it with another unboxing video. Y'all already know that I seen the thumbnails. I know the two shoes that I got in this box right here. So to keep it pretty short and simple, I did get both of these shoes from the Facebook Marketplace. I hit up the guy that had the two shoes. He was super chill about it and everything like that. He had them for like a really decent price. But I was telling him, let me just see if if I could offer him like a different price. I offered him $180 for both of the shoes. It was like, bet, I got you. So pretty much I paid $90 for each of these shoes. If you count like shipping and stuff like that, I paid about like $209-ish for both of them. So I kind of paid like $100 technically, but really, like, I basically got them both for $180. That's $90 each. So that's really a steal. Again, unfortunately, both of the shoes do not come with the original box. It wouldn't do not have an insole. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and just get straight into it. Like I said, I already opened the box so that I can check and see if they're really good. So the first one, y'all already know, we got the Resell 3s, size 8. In picture that they look good, and in the hand they do look good. Obviously, I do need to clean them. Of course, little sound on there on the back, and then of course the bottoms is pretty dirty. Again, though, not only do these not come with the original box, some of the stars are like missing for the most part as well. But it's all good though, because at the end of the day, I'm pretty sure somebody's going to wear these. But lucky enough for these shoes in particular, I do have a Resell box right here. It's my brother's. He do have these pair. It is a like 10.5, as y'all can see. So if you get a size 8 in these, you're gonna get your shoes in this box that says a 10.5. So I'm just letting y'all know right now. So let me repeat that one more time. If you get these shoes, these will be in a 10.5 Resell box. Like, I will provide pictures with them, of course. So yeah, these, like I said, these are gonna be clean. I'm gonna leave these over here real quick. And y'all need know the hype shoe that I'm pretty sure everybody in mama might have. We have the Air Jordan 11 Bread. Let me actually, yeah, these are the 2019 versions. I did check earlier, but here it is, Bread 11, also a size 8. These are actually pretty decent and clean. Of course, the only major thing about them is that I believe, yeah, like they, I think both shoes, they have scuff marks on them. Yeah, I don't know how to get all scuff marks, but yeah, they got some scuff marks on the patent leather. Of course, bottoms is pretty dirty, but y'all know I'm gonna clean them, of course. Go ahead and show y'all both shoes right there. Both pretty dirty. And of course, this one doesn't have the original box, so I gotta get this a replacement box. And these do not have the insole, unfortunately. When I asked him, he said he did not have the insole, which kind of sucks, but hey, it is what it is. So if you wear a size 8, like I said before, these do not come with the insole. And if you wear 8.5, you can get these because these don't have the insole. So like I said before, these I will get a replacement box for. Y'all probably cannot see this at all, but it's all good. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna show y'all my man's address. Go ahead and flip that over. Go ahead and put. Y'all can probably see it, but go ahead and put both of these shoes up here. Like, again, I will be selling these shoes. Like I said, I'm trying to make sure these don't fall. Hopefully they don't fall. But like I said before, these shoes I will be selling. The 3s will be posted on my Instagram probably. Cause I probably don't. Yeah, these will be posted on my Instagram on Thursday. Well, yeah, these 3s will be posted on my Instagram on Thursday, of course. And these are the Bread 11s, like I said before. Well, I got somebody that do want to buy these off of me, so I'm not gonna post these on my Instagram unless they don't want them. So again, these will be posted on Thursday once I clean them up and stuff. And these, like I said before, I got somebody that want to buy them. But yeah, this is the beginning of me starting to resell sneakers, and pretty much as I can see, I got my shoes in this really nice little shoe rack. I gotta put the rest of my shoes in here, but other than that, my shoe rack looking nice, pretty clean. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like make this have my sneaker background when I like do my sneaker reviews or anything sneaker related in general. But again, no, I'm pretty excited. I can't wait to sell these. And like I said before, I'm starting my sneaker resale journey because like I said, like I've been able to cop so many shoes for steals that I figure I'm not gonna try my hand at reselling. Currently right now I'm like looking into like a whole bunch of shoes from different places for me to cop. Like I said before, like I'm not gonna cop them straight away because again I don't have a lot of money like that. I'm not rich like that. But either way, like this is a good start. This is a really good start. And like I said before, hopefully I make it up there with all them other sneaker resellers and in general anybody that's doing really big things when it comes to sneakers. But anyway, let me know what you guys thought of this video. Do you guys think me paying $180 for these shoes that don't have the box and one of them do not have the insole was a good steal? Again, $90 each. That's honestly a steal to me personally. So, and yeah, like I said before, I cannot wait to sell these. Gonna make some decent profit with these. So, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and share if you want my video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram so you guys get updated on when I post. And like I said before, like just support me on my journey of sneaker reselling because again, this is definitely something that like I've been thinking about doing for a while since like buying personal kicks for myself. And like I said before, I've been selling sneakers, some of my sneakers at the very least, to other people for a decent price. And like I said before, this is going to be a great start to me. So, like I said before, I really appreciate it. You guys support me. Again, follow me on my Instagram and my business page as well. I would really appreciate all of that. So, thank you guys for watching, and peace.